Hi everyone, how are we going? So today is a beginner's lesson for those who maybe aren't too familiar with using design tools on the internet or just using the internet itself. Um, so if we start off with our desktop, and then we've got an empty desktop and we just want to click into either the Google Chrome icon, perhaps if you're using Microsoft Edge, you can click into there, any different browser, as we call them. So I'm just going to click into this one. And if you're using Google Chrome, it'll come up with Google straight away. If you're not using Google Chrome, then just type in Google into this top bar here, press enter, it'll take you to Google. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to make a Canva account. So it's kind of the first steps into being able to use our resources that we have provided for designs of posters and business cards and a range of different visual content that you can use. So first step is to just type Canva into Google and press enter. And then let's go into Canva here. And so for those who haven't used Canva before, you won't have an account. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to make an account. So go up into this sign up button up here in the top right corner. If you try to go to login, you can go a roundabout way and sign up that way, but let's just go straight to sign up here. So this is the page that will come up when you go to sign up. If we just ignore this, let's get rid of that. So you'll have three options. You can either sign up with Google. So if you have a Gmail account, you can click this option. You can sign up with Facebook, which is, you use your account through Facebook, or you can sign up with email. So the difference between these is if you sign up with Facebook, in that situation, Canva will get your Facebook information. So for those worried about privacy and that sort of thing, it's not a huge risk. It's not really much of a risk. All it means is that Canva is getting any information that you have provided to Facebook. So Canva will then later understand that you as a user are a certain age because Facebook has your age information, and you are interested in these kinds of things because that's the kind of data that Facebook collects from you. So if you sign up with Facebook, you're sharing your Facebook information with Canva. Same with Google, same situation. If you just want to sign up with your email, it's probably the best way to go. That's how we're going to do it today. So let's just sign up with an email account. I'm going to put my name in. I'm actually going to put the comms Paddlevic name in for me. And I'm going to put my email address in, my paddleviccoms@gmail.com, which is a email that I have through Paddlevic. And I'm going to make a password. And make that password anything that you think you'll remember. If you have trouble remembering your passwords, you can make it somebody's name. And they typically have to have either a number or a symbol involved. So like, for example, the number 1 or an exclamation mark or anything along those lines. So this is medium, saying that my password is medium secure. So that'll do for now. We're not going to use this too much. So let's go get started. It's free. I'm just going to click never for that, ignore that. So it says, okay, we sent you a code. Please enter the code we sent you to this email address. So you need to go into the email address that you gave them, which I've got here. So go into your email address. This time I've got Gmail. You can see here I've got this email from Canva, and it says 634938 is the code. So you can either write down this code with a pen if you'd like to, or otherwise I'm just going to get my cursor here, click and hold and select it. And then I'm going to right click onto that blue section and I'm going to go copy. And then I'm going to go back into Canva here and I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click again, and I'm going to go here and click on paste. So you can see that number's come up in here. Or if you've written the number down using pen and paper, you just type it into this section. Now we're going to click done. And that's it, we've made an account. So it'll ask you a couple of questions. What will you be using Canva for? Not-for-profit or charity, student, small business, personal, large company. If you're a club, I'd go not-for-profit or charity. And in this section, you can invite people to this Canva account. So if you're, for example, the club president and you're making this account, you can add your secretary's email and your finances, accountant's detail and details in here. And then they will be invited to this team, so they will be able to use the Canva account as well, basically. But for now, we're going to skip this. So start your first design. Let's go for popular for not-for-profits. I mean, let's just see if we can get out of this, which we can't. So let's just click on this. And for the first time, it'll take us to a design, which should, okay, so start with a template. It'll give you a range of instructions and whatnot, but for now we're just going to go back to the home page. And yeah, so this is your Canva account, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to use Canva. All right.